Finished in timeless British racing green with a Narvik black roof and exterior details, this E.C.D Defender 110 captures the spirit of adventure that made the Defender an icon, while delivering the performance, craftsmanship, and comfort expected of a modern luxury vehicle. Beneath its classic silhouette sits a 430 horsepower GM LS3 V8, paired with an automatic transmission, Alcon brakes, and E.C.D's road-tuned suspension with adjustable Coney shocks. Powerful when called upon and composed when cruising, it's built to feel just as comfortable on winding back roads as it is arriving at your favourite destination. But what makes the heritage of this Defender special isn't found on a spec sheet, it's found in the details. The 6-point external roll cage, the heritage grille, the worn winch, the Kahn wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich all-terrain tyres. Every element carefully selected to complement the Defender's enduring character while enhancing its capability and presence. Inside, tobacco leather transforms the cabin into a space designed for the journey as much as the destination. Sheelman seating, a handcrafted leather dashboard, natural Sapelli wood accents, and a classic wooden steering wheel create an atmosphere that feels both nostalgic and contemporary. Modern technology is seamlessly integrated throughout, with wireless connectivity, a touchscreen infotainment system, 360-degree camera views, digital rear-view mirror, rear climate control, and premium audio, ensuring every mile is enjoyed in comfort. Built to seat 8, this Defender was designed for experiences shared with family and friends, from coastal weekends and mountain escapes to the everyday moments that become lasting memories. Handcrafted from the ground up by E.C.D Automotive Design, this is a vehicle commissioned around a lifestyle. A modern classic built to be driven, enjoyed, and passed down for generations.